Before you decide to purchase SmartSuite, there are 7 essential things you need to know. Whether you're comparing it to other project management tools like Monday.com or Asana, or just starting to explore SmartSuite's potential, this video will give you a comprehensive look at the software's strengths and what to watch out for. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly what to expect. First off, SmartSuite excels in its customization options. Unlike other platforms that can feel rigid, SmartSuite lets you design your workflows, dashboards, and data views to fit your business needs. You can tailor everything from task management to customer relationship tracking, which makes it great for businesses that need more flexibility. It's an edge over something like Monday.com, where customization can be a bit limited. Next, let's talk integrations. SmartSuite connects seamlessly with over 100 other tools, including Google Drive, Slack, and even QuickBooks. If your team already relies on other software, this can save you a lot of time and effort. Many competing platforms like Asana or Trello have integrations, but SmartSuite takes it a step further with its robust set of options, ensuring that you can keep your existing workflows intact while still benefiting from SmartSuite's advanced features. The third thing to consider is the user interface. SmartSuite offers a clean, modern UI that's easy to navigate, even for those new to project management software. If you've tried using something like Jira or Monday, you might have found the interface a bit overwhelming. SmartSuite, on the other hand, provides an intuitive experience with a customizable layout that allows users to get started quickly without a steep learning curve. The fourth thing you need to know is how SmartSuite handles automation. If you're like most businesses, you want to save time on repetitive tasks. SmartSuite allows you to automate everything from notifications to task assignments, helping your team stay productive. Compared to other platforms that have limited automation functionality, SmartSuite's automation tools are robust and easy to set up. This makes it ideal for teams that want to reduce manual work and improve efficiency. Next, consider the reporting and analytics features. SmartSuite offers advanced reporting tools that give you insights into your projects and workflows so you can make data-driven decisions. This is a big advantage over other software like Trello, where reporting options are limited unless you integrate with third-party tools. If you're managing a large team or complex projects, the ability to track progress and performance in real time is a huge benefit. The sixth thing is customer support. SmartSuite offers solid customer service with 24/7 support through chat, email, and phone. When comparing it to competitors, such as ClickUp, where response times can sometimes be slow, SmartSuite's support is consistently responsive. The platform also offers an extensive knowledge base, helping users troubleshoot issues on their own, which is a plus when you're in a time crunch. Finally, pricing is something you'll want to keep in mind. SmartSuite is competitively priced for the features it offers. While it may not be the cheapest option, it provides excellent value, especially when compared to other high-end project management tools. Plus, there's a free trial, which is a great way to test everything out before committing. Now that you have a better understanding of SmartSuite and how it stacks up against other project management software, if you're ready to dive in, click the first link in the description. You'll get access to the best free trial for SmartSuite along with some exclusive benefits. Try it for yourself and see if it's the right fit for your business.